Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nurul Hafizah Ain binti Muhammad Hadi and my group members is Hilmi Aiman bin Hamdan, Nur Nazihah binti Baharuddin and Nur Nazifah binti Baharuddin. Today, we would like to presenting about our case study group assignment for subject Operations Management. Study case for question number 1. In what ways are Sheena's customer most likely to judge the quality of her lawn care services? They will see the performance of Sheena by cutting the grass and cleaning the surrounding to check if her work is satisfactory or not, and to make sure the grass is the same length of grass condition. Furthermore, the type of service that she provides is very pleasant to clients and beneficial to lawns. For example, the service is fertilizing lawns, weeding gardens, and trimming bushes. Next, Sheena's customer will most likely to judge the time taken to cut the grass. For example, the faster Sheena cut the grass, the better for the customer. This is because customer will expect Sheena to cut efficiently and effectively. So, as a result, the faster a service takes to finish is a key component to high quality service. For question number 2, Sheena is the operation manager of her business. Among her responsibilities are forecasting, inventory management, scheduling, quality assurance, and maintenance. For A, what kind of things would likely require forecast? The things would likely require forecast are the capacity of company service. For example, it is to calculate how many workers are needed. Secondly, to find out how many machines need to be used to make the service. For example, we can make a prediction of how many machines need to be purchased for a year. Lastly, how many time does a machine take to service a year? For example, to know how often the machine needs to make maintenance each year in the company.
For the second question, and for B, what inventory item does Sheena probably have? And we have to name one inventory decision she has to make periodically. The inventory Sheena probably has is a grass machine and fertilizer. This is because she is a lawn mower and lawn caretaker. The fertilizer is one of the inventories periodically she has to make. This is because not all of her customers need their lawn to be fertilized. Some of the customers need their lawn to be only cut and trimmed, so it is important that Sheena makes a good decision on fertilizer inventory to avoid extra costs. And for number 2C, what scheduling must she do? What things might occur to disrupt schedules and cause Sheena to reschedule? Sheena must do scheduling for workers, maintenance and use of lawn mowers. The things she might reschedule may occur when emergencies happen, such as mower machines breakdown and lack of workers at the time. Next, Sheena must do scheduling for her customers. This is because she needs to arrange the right time and set priorities. For example, Sheena needs to prioritize which customers make the first appointment, and if it's possible, to take care of the customers at the same time, so there is no hard times on handling customers. And for number 2D, how important is quality insurance to Sheena's business? Quality assurance is important to Sheena's business because she will have an opportunity and trust from her customer to grow her business to what her dream is. So the customer might recommend to other customers about the lawn care service, were very effective service. This is a very important element to Sheena because of her future to expand her lawn mowing business. If the quality is low, Sheena will have a hard time to expand the business because customer will look for another people to take care of their lawn. For number 2E, what kinds of maintenance must be performed? The maintenance must be performed by Sheena is preventive maintenance. It means a maintenance on a daily or regular basis designed to maintain the pristine condition of equipment and prevent failure through deterioration prevention, periodic inspection, or equipment condition diagnosis to measure impairment of the mow machine engine. Preventive maintenance is ideal for lawn mowers because they require regular maintenance. This is due to the fact that this equipment is used every single day at the appointed time from each area. The goal of this preventive maintenance is to keep the machine in good working order and extend its lifespan so that it is less likely to be destroyed. As a result, preventive maintenance is preferable to breakdown maintenance because breakdown maintenance is only performed in the event of an emergency such as malfunctioning machine. That's it for me. I will give it to my other partners.
Number 3. What are some of trade-offs that Sheena probably consider related to? A. Working for a company instead of for herself. Working for a company is a much stable job to do. This is because there is a top manager to handle much of the company crisis. If she has her own company, she needs to think more about her business for the future compared working for the company as an employee. Profit or loss, she has to bear on her own and she will be more satisfied with the result of her work because she knows what to do. And besides that, if Sheena went to open her own company, Sheena will be more stressed because she has to think about how her company will continue to progress in the long run. Expanding the business, she needs large capital and support from loyal customers to support her business. Furthermore, she can also promote her service to social media such as advertising, Instagram, Facebook, and also TikTok. So those customers are aware of her lawn care services company and get a lot of income and profit. In addition, Sheena might also open a few branches in Malaysia to gain recognition and make it easier for customers to deal with Sheena. As a result, Sheena cannot immediately grow her business throughout the state. Question number 4. The town is considering an ordinance that will prohibit putting grass clippings at the curb for pickup because local landfills cannot handle the value. What option might Sheena consider if the ordinance is passed? Name 2 advantages and 2 drawbacks of each option. First option, taking the opportunity to widen her business. Advantages for option 1. First, Sheena can increase her business, which is lawn care service, by taking grass clipping at the curb and combine them with the fertilizer so that she can use it to fertilize the lawn, which combine both of them can make a repetitive process and make the fertilizer have more nutrient in term. Second, at the same time, earn income by reselling the grass clippings to farmers and gardeners. Grass clipping which be an important raw material in the farm industry and garden industry because they will be needing it to make their flower bed, vegetable garden and many more. 2 drawbacks for option 1. First, she has to spend money to hire more part-time workers. This is because Sheena alone cannot handle a hard task. For example, Sheena need to shorten the employment list to have time to resell the grass clipping and to find a specialist to combine the grass clipping with the fertilizers. Option 2. Sheena can use the clipping as an alternative to feed the animal.
Two advantages option. Number 2. First, Sheena can sell the clipping to drying farmer. Drying farmer needs grass clippings to feed the cows. By doing this, the grass clippings can be disposed naturally and does not affect the environment. Second, Sheena's business will be known for its kind work and their care for the animals. They will make her business grow in higher pace because people will have a mindset that the business is a good business that care about living creatures. Option number 2, two drawbacks. First, it will be a costly operation since buying a personal van is cheap. Sheena will need a van or any type of loading vehicle to carry the grass clipping to supply the farmers. Second, taking care of the personal van takes time and it is high in maintenance. Using the personal vehicle will give Sheena extra cost to handle. For example, if Sheena often uses the personal vehicle, she needs to think about the vehicle cost to be fixed and many other expenses.
Okay, that's all from us. Thank you.